जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. They reached Prasravana, the mountain, and that mountain is in the dense forest which is filled up with so many trees and so many animals. That Prasravana Parvatam, the mountain, there is one den on the top of that mountain. Rama Lakshmana found that guha, that den, and Rama saying to Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, this den seems to be very wide and very spacious, and I like this place. This is very beautiful place. Asyam vasava saumitre varsharatram arindama." Oh Lakshmana, this entire rainy season, let us live here. I do see there is a beautiful pond also. And Lakshmana, this den is in the northeast side, and this den has the main entrance in southwest side. And Lakshmana, mostly rain comes from northeast. So whenever that rain comes, that rain would not come inside the den because we have the main entrance at the southwest. Also, oh Lakshmana, the entire west side of this den is very much elevated. Because of that, whatever the wind, cold wind comes from east, that won't come inside the den. Lakshmana, look at that. North side of the den is beautiful, and south is also very much elevated, just like Kailasa Parvatam. And in the east of this den, Prachina Vahinim Chaiva Nadim Brusam Akardamam. There is a beautiful water flow in east side. So with all these beautiful things around this den, Aho Suramaniyaha Ayam Deshaha. This place is best place for both of us to live through entire of this rainy season. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Lakshmana. Sri Ramachandra Swami saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, let us live here on this Prasravana mountain." It seems that Kishkinda is very close to this Prasravana Giri. And also we can hear the noise from Kishkinda. Lakshmana, by now Sugriva must be very happily ruling the kingdom. Like that, Rama saying to Lakshmana, and both of them started living in Prasravana Giri. Though that area, that entire atmosphere and circumstances are very beautiful, but Rama is not feeling happy because of Sita Viyogam. Avivesa natam nidra nisasu sayanam gatam. Rama is unable to sleep, and Rama moving to tears very often. Rama's mind is very restless. Rama is crying for Sita Devi. Then Lakshmana, after seeing Rama like that, tam sochamanam kakutsam nityam sokaparayanam. When Lakshmana noticed that Rama is crying and always feeling so depressed, then Lakshmana saying that, "Oh Veera Rama, do not cry. If you keep crying like this, we cannot do anything. And you know about that fact very well. Oh Rama, natvam sochitum arhasi. That is why do not cry. Oh Rama, you believe in our scriptures, and you are such a great righteous man. You know that we have to put great amount of effort to achieve any goal. That fact you know very well. And also you have great respect towards all the devatas who help us in achieving our goals. And after having all this knowledge and after realizing all these facts, if you keep crying like this, we will not be able to defeat any enemies. Especially Ravana, such a great soldier, it becomes very hard for us to kill him. That is why do not cry. Get your courage back and strengthen your mind. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.